It's raining, dear. Time to come inside. Come inside, quickly now. You are completely soaked.
Do you know why the moon shines so brightly tonight, little one? It is because of the secret wish of a small firefly. And so, the little elephant flew over the mountains, carrying the princess on his back. The jungle was very quiet that night, and the stars shone brightly above the old temple. Were they scared?
It's all right, Ganesh. It's just the rain. The story says the tiger waited patiently.
The rain has stopped.
Shall we sleep on the rooftop tonight?
Do you see them, my love? Each one holds a secret wish just for you. See how the moon glows. It reminds us that even in the darkest times, there is always light to guide us home.